Pagkatapos ng isang maulan na hapon sa Baguio City, we got to enjoy this gorgeous sunset. Dito kami nag-dinner sa bagong discover kong cafe kung saan napaka-chill ng vibe at ang galing pa ng mga performer na inabutan namin. Sasamahan mo pa syempre ng masarap na dinner and drinks. Perfect na hangout spot to with your friends. And by the way, itong enoki mushroom chips nila, sobrang winner niyan. This is 1986 Cafe and Bistro located sa may Summer Pines Residence. Available din yan sa Google Maps para hindi kayo mahirapang hanapin. And then eto, meron din silang available na board games when you get there. Una kong in-order itong Vietnamese egg coffee and yes, nilalagyan nila ng hilaw na egg yolk ito. Ang tagal ko na kasing curious sa lasa niyan, buti na lang meron sila dito. Yung lasa nito para siyang merong leche flan flavored foam on top of the coffee and I actually really liked it. And as your cheese girly, syempre nag-order ako ng grilled cheese with marinara sauce, tapos sesame loaf yung ginamit nila. Nakita nyo naman yung cheese pool kanina, very satisfying and make sure to eat it while it's hot. Masarap din yung drinks nila dito guys. Sa mga in-order namin, sakto yung balance ng fruity, asim at tamis. At tulad nga nung sinabi ko kanina, ang sarap nitong enoki mushroom chips. The mushrooms are super crisp at ang sarap ng natural sweetness niya. If anything, medyo nabitin lang ako sa dipping sauce but it's all good. Yung truffle pasta naman, kaka-serve pa lang, amoy na amoy ko agad ang bango. Hindi tinipid sa truffle and it's super creamy. Sa rice meals naman nila, we tried their chicken cordon bleu. Very standard naman, nothing too spectacular, pero it's not bad at all. Heto, isa ring pang malakasan yung quattro formaggi pizza. It's super cheesy at ang sarap ng toasted edges at syempre nilagyan ko ng maraming hot sauce. Ang daming naiinis pag lagi kong binabanggit yan. Mahilig ako sa hot sauce Anong magagawa natin? Eto naman yung kanilang crispy fried tofu and pork with that calamansi soy glaze. And then yung mayo niya parang templado rin naman ng soy and calamansi. And then topped with pickled onions. Sa mga coffee-based drinks, meron tayo nitong Java chip na merong toasted marshmallow on top. It was super fun, although medyo sweet siya for me, mas nagustuhan ko itong Biscoff latte. Mild yung sweetness and very creamy. Kung gusto mo yung mas strong yung coffee, magpa-double shot ka na lang. We definitely enjoyed our dinner dito sa 1986 Cafe and Bistro. Ang chill nung vibe, maganda yung sunset, at kung pipili ako ng top 3 favorites ko, definitely yung enoki mushroom chips, quattro formaggi pizza, at yung truffle pasta. You can try them out on your next Baguio trip. Enjoy!